Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the Builder Dad Shop. I'm Builder Dad Dan, and this is my shop. Now, today I want to talk to you about something that is actually hopefully intuitive, something that's not too crazy of a topic, but something simple to help you out. An example of how it helped me out was today I stepped into my shop and I had sawdust everywhere. I had things across my bench and I was feeling unmotivated. So what did I do about that? I pulled out the shop vac. I spent about 20 minutes picking up everything off my bench and organizing it back to where it should go, or it's sort of home until I build more homes for stuff. But what I did was I cleaned up my shop. I swept the floor. I got all the tools organized, put back in the places where they needed to go. And it was something just as simple as that to help me motivate myself. All of a sudden I got that task done and I said, hey, now I want to move on to something else. I want to do something else. And so it was easy enough for me to go from cleaning my shop to feeling motivated about my shop to doing some woodworking. So this isn't really a long video because it's not a really hard concept, but sometimes simple things help you move forward. It's as easy as sometimes just cleaning up your shop, keeping it organized, keeping it neat. I always find it interesting how a little bit of cleanliness and organization can change my mood almost immediately. You think about it, if you walk into your house and when you walk in, the first thing you're greeted by is the mail from yesterday. Trash on the floor or something else, something that you're going to trip over. Like the kids came in the house and they left their sports bags right there. And you have to jump over that to get in. Well, that's never any fun. That same thing applies to the shop. If you're tripping over lumber, tripping over cords, kicking dust up every time you walk, it's no fun and you don't want to be down there or in that shop. So take a little bit of time, clean up, do as your mother used to probably always be after you to pick up your messes. Do those things and see how that changes your mood. See if that makes you more inclined to want to stay in the shop. I know for me it had been about 2 weeks since the last time I cleaned my shop, and sometimes I'm cleaning it every other day or the same day multiple times, depending on what I'm doing. And I always feel better when my shop is cleaned, when it's organized. I still have a ways to go. If you looked at my table saw right now, I've got all this lumber from shoe racks that I was cutting, all the overcuts or the extra lumber that I was cutting at the time to make sure I had plenty to do what I was doing. They're all across there, and now I got to figure out what I'm doing with that. But once I get that organized, I will feel better about stuff. And so just a simple tip, keep your stuff clean and you'll feel better. So until next time, have fun, stay safe, and keep woodworking.